Welcome to part 2 of creating our epoxy serving boards. In this video, we're going to take the boards from pouring in the molds all the way through sanding and finally our wax finish. Here you can see the pigments that we have chosen for the boards. Their first round of pigment is waiting, while the epoxy is over here in the degasser, removing the air out of the epoxy and making it ready for pour. Time to add a little bit more pigment to each of the containers to really bring out the color. Here we're going to use our CNC to achieve one flat side for each of the boards. When you're pouring with epoxy, it would be nearly impossible to achieve a flat board from the get-go, so we're using the CNC to achieve the one flat side, and then we'll use a planer to get the other side. To get to the finished piece, it requires a ton of sanding, and for time's sake, we're not going to record all of that. But here's our first round of 80 grit sandpaper on each of the boards, and then a little water popping after each round. And here we are at our final step, adding our wood finish. Here we're using the Natura One Coat Wood Oil 2C-A. We've been really happy with this product, and stay tuned to see how it looks on each of these boards. And here we have our final boards. These boards are going to take a few days for the wax to harden, but they will be ready in time for the holidays. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to follow along with more of our builds. See you next time.